Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cardboard Craft. I'm Mua, and today we're going to be making Jay Garrick's helmet from CW's The Flash. This was actually suggested by one of my viewers. I'll shout him out in the comment section because I can't think of his name off the top of my head. But anyway, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so to start off this project, you're going to want to head over to templatemaker.nl and create a template for a sphere. The more ribs and everything, the higher the numbers for this stuff, the better sphere you will have. And you're going to want to find the circumference of your head, then divide that by pi, and then you'll find the diameter, and then add an inch to that diameter so that it fits your head when you put the whole thing on. And then you can go ahead and just print out one page, and then you'll only need half of an actual sphere template. So hopefully that makes sense. So once you have printed out your template, you can go ahead and chop it right in half. Like that. Then take some cardboard, and then you can cut out all the pieces. Then fire up the hot glue gun, and then you can glue all of the pieces together. I also added a little cardboard circle on the inside so that it wouldn't pop up and be pointy at the top. Comment below if you also think that I should be making a Pablo hat from the Backyardigans. So after completing the dome, what you can do is you can take some cardboard and cut some little tabs that are about an inch in width and are as long as your sphere's little triangle parts are wide. After cutting those tabs out, I just went ahead and glued them all on. I also used some scissors to round out the corners a little bit so that when I follow through with this project, shall we say, it looks circular and beautiful and nice. Yes. So to give Mr. Garrick's helmet the color that it doth possesseth, we shall use some silver duct tape, and we're going to take it and just take it from one side to the other and just do that all the way around the entire helmet until it looks nice and shiny. And then if everything goes right, you should get something like this. I'd say it turned out pretty well so far. Now it is time to give our hat wings to fly. Start by actually drawing the wing onto a piece of cardboard. Then you can go ahead and cut those wings out. Then you can cover the wings in some golden duct tape, and then you can use a Sharpie to draw on some beautiful detail lines. Once again, go ahead and fire up that hot glue gun, and then I glued on the wings until I had this monstrosity. I'd say it turned out pretty well. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode of Cardboard Craft. If you want to help fund projects like this, be sure to check out my merch down in the description below. And as always, don't forget to leave a like and
subscribe.